and we will go back from the ocean back to land. And the first talk will be by Courtney.
Hi, okay, welcome back to Blewomix again. So I'm going to tell you an overview of the whole Blewomix project. So we're going to go for a deep dive into the cetacean microRNAome. So this is an NFR-funded 5-year project, and we have 4 objectives. Our first objective is to characterize microRNAome in a model cetacean species, because as you might have found out by listening to Louise and Julie and looking at some of our posters, there's really not much known about microRNAs in cetaceans, so we need to just characterize that first before we can do more. Then we want to identify microRNA signatures for normal physiological parameters such as age, gender, lactation status, pregnancy status. And then after that, we want to develop the microRNA biomarker for biomarkers of health and disease, and we want to use immunotoxicology as our first one for free living cetaceans, because toxicology is really expensive and we lack a really good and easy biomarker for these large free-swimming animals. And our last large goal is that we want to run this project with an open access database for microRNA biomarkers in cetaceans, where anyone who's interested in whales and health can just go fly a drone off the shelf, basically, get their blow sample, sequence microRNAs, and then check for their biomarkers into this database. So the overall idea would be that with one small blow sample, you can look for all these biomarkers. You'll be able to tell the age, the gender, are they pregnant, have they been exposed to immunotoxic pollutants, have they been exposed to morbillivirus. Whereas if you're going to do it through the traditional methods, you would have had to split that sample up into 5 different samples, send them off to different labs. So we really want to streamline this, and that's the aims and objectives of Blewomix. So a little bit of background. Okay, I got 30 seconds, great. Okay, so we've been working on this in seabirds, bats, and in cell culture, and we found some differences in the microRNAs, and we found some potential biomarkers, but those were all individual microRNAs. Now we want to go into the microRNAome. So as Louise said, we've got the first microRNAs in cetacean blow. We've got our model species here, a bottlenose dolphin from Seaworld Foundation in Australia, not affiliated with the American Seaworld at all. And if you want to know more, come and see my poster at the back, or any of my amazing students, Louise, Julie, Federica, and Elzia, who are around here.